is cooking.
It's time for the biggest live video in WrestleMania. Well, tonight we have one of our special guests for this live video. He has represented India for the WWE, and The Rock genuinely respects him. He is here in the fan universe. He is here for all of you. So guys, get ready for one of the greatest live videos. So here we go. Finally, The Rock has come back to Pro Live Video. So The Rock is here with a live video with the face of WWE, Sunday the Mom. His name is Sahil Khattar. You've seen him. The Rock has seen him. Respects what he's done. Has deep respect for all he does. And tonight, he's here for the fans to hear one-on-one with the great one. So Sahil, The Rock, along with all the fans of the fan universe, thank you so much for sparing your time for this live video. And we all thank you so much. So now, with me here, sir, BJ Galen, and now the one and only Sahil Khattar in the live video. This brand, now, and will always be known as the jabroni beating, halal, pie eating, trailblazing, eyebrow raising. Get ready, leave your Superman Spider-Verse because it's time for big for the fan and universe. So guys, let's go for the biggest live video. Here we go. If you smile. What The Rock is cooking.
Glamour.
Whoa. Okay guys, so let's do this. Time for one of the greatest live videos in the history of WrestleFan. What's up everybody? I hope you liked that entrance. I hope Sahil was watching and he liked that entrance. So welcome everybody to one of the special live videos for WrestleFan, and we have the one and only, the host of WWE Sunday Dhamal, Sahil Khattar, with us in the house. Thank you so much, Sahil, for sparing your time for us, for the WWE fans, and we are very grateful that you're here. So let's just bring the man of the hour with us. So, and we're just connecting with him. Just a minute, everybody, get ready. This is big. Get ready. Okay, the man is here himself.
Sup, bro? What's happening?
I hope you saw that Rock entrance I did specially for you.
Dude, it was epic. बहुत मजा आया. तुम्हारा ऑडियो बहुत कम है. पहले ऑडियो थोड़ा सा ठीक कर लो.
Just a minute.
I can't hear you.
Just a minute. I think I'll wear my earplugs. I think it will be better. Just a second, sir. I'm really sorry. Just a minute. Oh, I think the plug से ही काम चलाना. I'm really sorry to keep you waiting. So sorry. Just a minute. I hope you can hear me now.
Fine. Now I can hear you perfectly. Like how you have the
Okay.
championship belt. Obviously, I don't have the championship belt, but I have my belt. Can I wear it too?
Okay. Yeah. You want to see a belt? I am actually. Oh, I'm really sorry. Sorry. I'm actually taking out something for you, so it just dropped. Sorry, just.
That's fine.
I'm actually
That's fine.
known as Nikunj two belts over here, and this is the reason why.
Nice. That's sweet, bro. That's very
Yes.
cool.
So everybody
I wanted
here.
to-
Yeah.
I
calls
wanted
me
to
that.
get one too, but it's very difficult.
Yeah, actually, I don't know if you know, but I was a part of the WWE Universe for WrestleMania 35. So,
Oh, wow.
actually, that was a long journey, and because of that, I've started. What happened? I think he left. I think some connection error happened. I was just telling him something. So let's just wait for Sahil to come back. We'll continue the conversation. Man, today is getting really weird. I don't know why, but it's okay. It's getting bad internet connections, bad times, but we are giving you a good time, and that's what WrestleFan is all about, giving you the best time. So Sahil is just coming back. Just hold on, everybody. He's here, and it's going to be a great live video. Yeah, sorry. I don't know how you
Sorry,
got
cut gaya tha
disconnected.
network.
No problem, no problem. Yeah, so as I was saying, so I was a part of WWE Universe for WrestleMania 35, and that's the reason I started WrestleFanint and everything. And I am welcome you to WrestleFanint, the first ever brand for the wrestling fans, a very new concept started by one of the wrestling fans himself. And thank you so much,
क्या बात
Sahil, for
है?
sparing your time. And I really welcome you here.
No, bro. I mean, thank you so much for having me here. It is very important. पीछे से कौन झाँक के देख रहा है?
Oh,
बेड़े?
that's my dad actually, and my
Oh, namaste,
sister-in-law.
uncle. Bye, Lagu,
No,
uncle.
no. So actually, they were
So,
playing outside. So I said them, "मेरी live video 7 o'clock है, so आप please चले जाना." So they just snuck
right.
out.
I'm very happy, bro, कि you guys got me here. मैंने हर तरीके के लाइव कर लिए थे, पुट्ठे सीधे होके, कुकिंग हो गया, स्पोर्ट्स हो गया, क्रिकेट हो गया, फुटबॉल हो गया, फिल्म के बारे में बात हो गई मेरी, डिजिटल कंटेंट के बारे में बात हो गई, पर रेसलिंग का बचा था. I think now my quarantine is complete.
Thank you so much, Sahil. Thank you so much. And by the way, I hope you like this championship belt. This is the WrestleFanint championship belt. It was
I love
designed
it, bro.
by it was designed by one of my followers, and he sent it all the way from Kerala to me to Delhi. I think that's kind of influence I've created on the wrestling fans. I'm giving them a very new kind of experience, supporting WWE in every way possible. And I'm really glad that I have another member of WWE from from India, like after Galen Mendonza. You are here. That's really sweet, and I can't be any more thankful. Sal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
अरे बस ना भाई, मेरे को तो अच्छा लगता है कि WWE की बात होती है. मतलब आई फेल्ट वेरी बैड, सारे शूट्स बंद हो गए हैं, सो वी कुड नॉट शूट द एपिसोड्स ऑफ WWE संडे धमाल. तो सोनी
Yeah.
पे कुछ कंटेंट नहीं जा रहा था, एंड देन वी वेंट लाइव विद ड्रू मैकिंटायर आल्सो, बट दैट वाज अ वेरी
Yeah.
फन ऑफ. सो आई वांटेड
I
टू
saw
डू,
that.
yeah, I wanted to do a lot more when it comes to WWE, and I thank you for bringing me over here. And let's talk about WWE, bro. Let's talk
Yeah,
about it.
yeah. So I have a couple of questions for you. Actually, some from my side and some from the fans. So first of
Brilliant.
all, there's a tradition that we have that whoever special guest we have, we firstly want to know whether it's a celebrity, whether it's anybody. We want to know how they became a fan of WWE. And since now you are a professional of WWE, so this was a very hot question by everybody, including me, that how did Sahil Khattar, the host, was Sahil Khattar the fan? So would you like to tell us about it?
यार निकुंज, व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, जब मैं +1 में था ना, सो आई डोंट नो, बॉम्बे में FYJC होता है और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो +1 होती है दिल्ली, चंडीगढ़ में, तो मैं चंडीगढ़ से. सो जब मैं +1 में था तो तब ना स्मैकडाउन की एक गेम आई थी प्ले स्टेशन पे. सो मैं विच इज ओके, सो नोबडी शुड फॉलो दिस एवर इन देयर लाइव्स, बट मैं कभी कभी ना ट्यूशन और स्कूल मिस करके गेम खेलता होता था प्ले स्टेशन पे स्मैकडाउन की, हियर कम्स द पेन. तो भाई वो पूरा टाइम जब खेलते होते थे ना, एंड आई रिमेम्बर कि दुकान होती थी चंडीगढ़ में ना, बूथ्स होते थे, बूथ. तो बूथ में ना मैंने देखा यार, नॉर्मली फॉल सीलिंग होती है ना जो ऊपर, वो चल 5 इंच की होती है, 1 फुट की होती है. भाई वहां 10 फुट की फॉल सीलिंग है. मैंने कहा बूथ में 10 फुट की फॉल सीलिंग क्यों है? फिर मेरे को पता चला जितने सारे लोग बंक मार के आते थे ना, वो ऐसा तहखाना टाइप, ऊपर से ऐसे छत खुलती थी, उस पे सीढ़ी बनी होती थी, ऊपर जाके यूनिफॉर्म में बैठ के प्ले स्टेशन खेलते थे. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई बिकेम सच अ बिग फैन के मैं सुबह शाम प्ले स्टेशन खेलने लग गया. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, दैट इज व्हाई यू शुड नॉट फॉलो इट, बिकॉज मैं +1 में, बिकॉज ऑफ मच ऑफ प्ले स्टेशन टाइम, मैं फेल हो गया था.
Oh,
So nobody should follow this.
guys,
And
don't
because
follow
I
it,
have
please.
had, yeah, I have had such a long term relationship with WWE, and वो वाला साल मेरे लिए इतना important था ना कि मैं तब से सबसे बड़ा फैन ही हो गया. मतलब मैंने सोचा था कि अगर मेरा हेयर स्टाइल स्टोन कोल्ड स्टीव ऑस्टिन से मैच नहीं किया तो ये क्या जिंदगी है.
But I think you can look like the Indian Stone Cold of the wrestling world.
I would love to, and some people are commenting saying, "Here Comes the Pain was the best game." Dude, I agree. उसके
Agreed,
बाद मेरे को
agreed.
कोई और ज्यादा ना अच्छे से खेल ही नहीं गई गेम, and that is why I moved
Exactly.
on to FIFA.
Yeah, but Here Comes the Pain is one epic game. I myself have played it. Like मैंने अपनी पहली PlayStation 2 खरीदी थी और उसमें सबसे पहली
Yeah,
game Here Comes the Pain ही थी.
yeah,
That is one
yeah,
game that cannot be replicated ever. चाहे जितनी मर्जी 2K आ जाए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. That was the best
yeah.
game, I think so. That was epic.
Diagonal X and L1 is smack, and then L1 L2 is reversal.
Yeah, reversal. Oh man, that game was super epic, man. Okay, so I have another question for you. I think you know him. His name is Aninder Singh. I don't know. I think you know him through social media. Yeah. So actually, he and I am working out on a collaboration maybe in the future. So he had like what we are working on is basically a big project on getting a bunch of passionate WWE fans together and planning this very grand trip if everything is okay for WrestleMania 37. So we want to know what are your thoughts on this kind of a thing?
Dude, there are no thoughts. I am game.
Okay, so we have a WWE India approval, so that's good, and I hope we can
Bro,
like pitch this to WWE India as well.
any day, like I know for a fact, if things go well, and I really hope it do, fingers crossed. I
Yeah,
think all of us are going to go to WWE together for the WrestleMania for
yeah,
sure. And
yeah,
सबके सब लोग ना पागलों की तरह वहाँ हुड़कंप मचा देंगे. सिर्फ इंडिया इंडिया दिखेगा, मार देंगे बाकी
yeah.
सारे.
Right. I know. मैं वहाँ पे WrestleMania 35 में I couldn't really find any Indian people. I just had this one Sardar ji who used to come to every event, front row seat. Every event he was there. I just saw him, एक Indian fan और कोई नहीं दिखा मुझे. But Sahil, I must tell you, अगर आप WrestleMania नहीं गए, आप WWE के पार्ट ही हो, आपको तो जरूर जाना चाहिए. It's a once in a lifetime experience. It can change your whole life like it did mine. Seriously. If मैं WrestleMania नहीं गया होता, तो I don't think I would have started this brand of mine for the fans. I think it's a once in a lifetime experience, really.
Dude, I so badly want to go. I so badly want to get back to WWE Sunday Dhamal. And not just Sunday Dhamal, there are going to be lots more things that are coming up on Sony for sure when it comes to WWE. Because now we're going to go guns blazing. ये lockdown में ना, thanks to WWE कि lockdown के होते भी ये लोग content produce कर रहे हैं. Everybody is
Right,
performing. They're doing their shows and it's amazing. ना
right.
NXT में कोई problem आती है. Even though they're doing it from the performance center, it's great. ना NXT
Yeah.
में कोई problem आती है, ना Raw में कोई problem आती है, ना SmackDown में. We are getting our dose for sure. So I think हमारा ये WWE के प्रति एक एक ओड बनता है कि हमें जाना चाहिए और ज्यादा सपोर्ट करना चाहिए.
Right, right, absolutely. And I think somebody just said that Sahil Khatter equal to Tommaso Ciampa. Yeah, I think, and I agree with
Oh,
him. His name is Sahil.
why just
And a
Tommaso
fun fact,
Ciampa? Why not Ricochet? Why not Braun Strowman? Why not everybody else who's bald and
and the irony of that thing is that the person who said it, his name is also Sahil.
Sahil Square? Sahil Square.
Yeah, Sahil's good. Okay, so the next question I have is a common question from three people. There's Manan, Ankit, and Rutvik. So they ask, who is your favorite wrestler from Raw, SmackDown, NXT, male, female, both? All time.
All time.
Yeah, all time. I think all time. Yeah. But since mine is The Rock and John Cena,
यार
so you can
बहुत
say all time.
डिफिकल्ट है यार. मेरे बहुत सारे फेवरेट भी हैं और बहुत सारे फेवरेट रेसलर. ओके, करंटली बता दूं who's my favorite?
Anything, anything.
See, nobody beats the legendary status of Rock, Stone Cold Steve Austin, Undertaker. My personal favorite was Goldberg
Oh,
all time
all
because of the
time.
because of the jackhammer, because of the spear. Like he's a
But I think आजकल
favorite.
Goldberg के fans कम हैं.
I know, but current favorite मेरा जो मैं जिसका सबसे बड़ा फैन हूँ वो है आर्ट ट्रूथ. आर्ट ट्रूथ के साथ साथ न्यू डे एंड लुचा हाउस
Yeah.
I light up when I see them on the screen. I
Yeah,
light
they're
up.
totally entertaining.
I
And
love
and
them.
I
और मुझे ये
yeah.
तो बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है ना, इसलिए ये कलरफुल चीजें, ये सब ऐसा कॉमेडी और फन मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. So
Yeah, and R-Truth, I must tell you, he's a very nice person as well. I just posted a random story about R-Truth, and I don't know उन्होंने कैसे देख ली, posted it back, and I got him on my DM, and I posted a message for him, and he was very sweet to reply to that, and I think he's a really sweet person. He just proves that you don't have to be the top dog really to be a great superstar or be entertaining. I think R-Truth
true,
proves
true.
that like nobody
No,
else.
I agree.
Oh,
And not
that's a
just
very I
that,
have a very yeah, I have a very interesting question for you. This is from Nishit. He says, "What is your favorite Sunday Dhamal moment? Like your show moment? Charlotte Flair?
Obviously that is one, but that involves a WWE superstar, right? So Charlotte Flair when she
Yeah.
came in, तो मैंने कहा भाई कोई बीच में नहीं आएगा, भाभी आ रही है तुम्हारी. तो सबको ऐसा बोल के हटा दिया था. And she's one of the nicest people. Not just that, New Day came in, and New Day बहुत सही बंदे हैं यार. They are so cool to work with. And उसी के साथ साथ मेरा जो पर्सनल फेवरेट एक और मोमेंट है, which is without the WWE superstars, और वो है हमने एक प्रोमो शूट किया था एक एपिसोड में जिसमें कवाली एपिसोड था. तो
Yeah,
हमने
yeah.
हिंदी वर्जन ऑफ जॉन सीनाज एंट्री किया था कि हारमोनियम तेरा टाइम खत्म मेरा टाइम शुरू, तू देख नहीं पाएगा मेरा टाइम शुरू, तेरा टाइम खत्म मेरा टाइम शुरू, तू देख नहीं पाएगा मेरा टाइम शुरू, तेरा टाइम खत्म मेरा टाइम शुरू, या अल्लाह. तो मतलब वो मेरा फेवरेट मोमेंट था यार.
Yeah, wow, man. Super entertaining. I now understand why you're the host. You're damn entertaining.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. And another question I have is from the same guy who made this belt. His name is Abhiram, but we call him Ab Hardy. Like, if you know the biggest
Nice.
Jeff Hardy fan, na, he is
Huh.
that one. You should definitely check out his Instagram. He's totally awesome, and he has this question: what is your favorite all-time match or any match like you like a lot? Like any matches that you like, favorite WWE matches?
Yeah, there are so many, but I'll tell you what, my favorite match is Goldberg winning on Brock Lesnar.
33 WrestleMania or Survivor Series or WrestleMania 20? Which one?
जो 3 सेकंड में खत्म हो गया था.
Survivor Series. Survivor Series.
I loved that. And
Yeah.
as a fan, I was like, wow, what a moment. और आज तक कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं था. I think that was the fastest pin ever, and that too at that level.
Yeah, and that to Brock Lesnar go. It was
The
like
beat.
khatarnak. It was like khatarnak.
One spear, one jackhammer, and you're down. You're gone. It was
Yeah.
so cool.
That was really cool. And
और भी बहुत
one
सारे
more.
मैचेस हैं यार मेरे. Undertaker, Shawn Michaels, all-time favorite. Then there was this the first Elimination Chamber match where Triple H won.
No. First Elimination Chamber where Shawn Michaels won. 2002
No, the
Survivor.
first Elimination Chamber match that Triple H won. I'm not
Okay,
talking about the first Elimination Chamber
okay,
match
okay,
ever.
okay.
But
I get it.
Triple
I
H
get it.
won the जब Triple H ने पहला अपना सबसे Elimination match जीता था ना,
Yeah.
हम लोग पागल हुए थे. And I think
he defeated Goldberg only in the last superstar was Goldberg only left. I think Batista or Randy Orton interfered.
No, this was really bad. जब Here Comes the Pain आया था ना, ये तब की
हाँ.
बात है. और तब ऐसा हुड़कंप मचा था ना भाई दुनिया में, मैंने कहा यही है. और हम लोग चंडीगढ़ में खेलते थे ना, तो सारे पंजाबी इकट्ठे हुए हैं. तो सब कोई सीधा नाम थोड़ी लेता था. पंजाबी सारे कहते हैं ओ खटरा इधरा, ओ यार डोगरे इधरा. वो आवाज ही ऐसे मारते हैं ना. तो हम लोग जब खेलते भी होते थे ना, तो कहते ओ गोल्डबर्गिया तू कितने जा रहे हैं, ओ रे मिस्टीरिया तू, ओ ट्रिपल एचिया. मतलब सब पागल हो रखे थे. Like everybody was mad. You know, I have from the same school, I have a WhatsApp group, and it's called Here Comes the Pain.
Okay.
We used
Can
to
I be
call
added
it.
to that group if you don't mind?
Sure, bro. Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
खाना तो कटरीना कैफ भी खाती है. मैं उसके ग्रुप्स में चला जाऊं.
Okay. I
तो
get
भाई,
it.
okay, coming back, the point was कि हम ना एक कोड वर्ड देते थे जब भी ऐसे स्मैकडाउन खेलने जाना होता था ना, which was called Shiggy. I have no.
Okay.
Shiggy is a random word. Random. Nobody cares. मतलब it's like one of those made up words ना.
Yeah.
तो हमने ग्रुप का नाम भी शिगी रखा हुआ था. आओ शिगी खेले, आओ शिगी करे, आओ शिगी के मतलब शिगी was the code word, and a lot of my friends would be watching, so I'll get a lot of DMs later also.
Yeah. Shiggy. Wow, man. What a new slang for the wrestling world. I think I might use this one somewhere or the other.
Please go ahead and use it. It was amazing.
Yeah. And one more question I have is from Sahil only, that who same guy who called you Tommaso Ciampa.
I love Sahil.
Actually, I don't know if you know, but we have something on the WrestleFan thing. We call it the promo battle. So it happens live on Instagram. So in that, two fans battle in a promo battle, basically. They impersonate superstar. and or maybe create their own character, and they battle with me back and forth in a 1 minute promo. So he
Okay.
says that he would like to actually challenge you for that. Sahil versus Sahil. So would you like to take that challenge someday?
Dude, one day I would love to take that challenge, and you know who I'm going to be?
Yeah.
I'm only going to be R-Truth. Or I'll be just Lucha House Party who doesn't need to say anything. They're just chilling and clipping and doing nothing.
Yeah. Wow. I think that's gonna be the most entertaining promo battle I would have ever hosted. That's gonna be the epic
Yeah.
one.
Like
Yeah.
in the middle of when Sahil is supposed to say something, I'll be like, wait, dance break.
I was
अब क्या
actually
चलेगा?
part of the biggest dance break in WWE history, WrestleMania
Oh, nice,
35, actually.
nice,
Yeah.
nice, nice.
That was
Congratulations,
it.
bro. I'm
Yeah.
so glad.
Yeah, and the final question that I have for the evening is from my side actually. So tomorrow on Sunday, since it's a lockdown and Zoom app is really in trends, so tomorrow we are having the first ever online event for the wrestling fans. It's a entrance battle and it's a quiz contest on Zoom. So we have 15 people for that. I just want to take a feedback from you. Like, what do you think of this kind of an idea for the fans?
Dude, it's a great idea. You know what? Honestly, मुझे ऐसा लगता है like, and you're doing one of its own kind of a job. You're creating a community, and I've done it in digital content. You know, that's how I started my career, and that's how everything came in later. And now whatever I'm doing, and I know what it takes. And I'm, bro, hats off to you. You're building this community, and I'm really happy. And not just happy for you, also for the community that is coming together and supporting WWE, not just WWE, the fan page that you guys have. And probably, I'm not saying stop at this fan page. I think you should look at collating all the fan pages and then get them together under one roof and be like, bro, this is the biggest that WWE can get in India. And who knows,
Yeah.
once you guys get damn big, we'll get you to our show, bro.
Oh, that is going to be one of the biggest surprises or the biggest days for me. And I think I should break it to you right now because actually, I shot a podcast with your Hindi commentators, Mihir sir and Fardeen, where I came to Bombay and shot with them. So I met your producers as well, Ankit and one more guy from Sony Sports Network, and they actually offered me to come on Sunday Dhamal with you. But and
So,
then the lockdown happened.
ah,
So,
कोई नहीं
so
भाई, ये
that,
लॉकडाउन खुलने दो. देखो, WWE is going on, right? ये लॉकडाउन
yeah,
खुलते ही we know for a fact we'll resume shoots. So as
yeah.
soon as all the safety precautions, so as soon as we are done, and when traveling is safe, I think we'll get you, bro. We
Thank
would
you so
love to
much.
host you. Your kind of
Thank,
knowledge is always welcome, bro.
thank you so much, Sahil. That's really sweet of you. I'm really at a loss of words right now from hearing that from you. That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for sparing your time for the fans and entertaining us so much. I think Sahil Khattar is the most entertaining guest that I've ever hosted, and I hope to host more and more. And Sahil, I must say that I'm reading the comments that people would love to see you one more time if you're available anytime soon. They would love to see you one more time, and including
For
me. I
sure.
love this live video, man.
For sure. So everybody
Yeah.
who wants to see me again, give me a hell yeah.
Hell yeah! Yeah, at least and everybody will see. There are so many comments. I think before we can end this, you can just maybe if you want to, you can just go through the
Yeah.
comments and just
AB
say
Hardy
hi.
says, "Wow,
Yeah,
bro, AB Hardy, love you,
this is
bro."
the guy.
Jeff
This
Hardy,
is the guy who made the.
I've had a chance to meet Matt Hardy, and he's epic. So I know nobody's going to delete Jeff Hardy from the memory of WWE. And there is Harshit Singh, what's up, bro? Sahil Khattar at Zoom challenge, जरूर. सारे काम काज छड़ के आ जा तो करे पोचा भी मार ला.
ओके आई थिंक अगर आप पोछा मार रहे हैं तो मैं आपको लिंक भेज दूंगा आप साइट्स में से पोछा मारते मारते देख सकते हैं शायद से अच्छा
Done,
रहेगा
bro.
हमारे
Done, bro.
लिए
I would love to, and
ओके
I'm very happy that everybody is commenting such great things. Thank you so much for having me, Nikunj, and I
थैंक यू
really
सर
hope and pray that you guys grow by leaps and bounds.
Thank you so much, Sahil. Thank you so much. Would love to see you one more time. And thank you for supporting WrestleFan. And before you go, please follow WrestleFan. And that's a hard to request. Please. Thank you
Abhi,
so much.
Abhi, Abhi.
Just kidding. Thank you so much, Sahil, for sparing your time and would love to have you
Done,
one more
bro.
time. Thank you.
Have a
Thank you
good
so much.
day. See you.
You too. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. So, guys, that was one and only Sahil Khattar. Wow.